Hi students, we shall start your this chemistry related your concept. As I have already given you the introduction to chemistry, what is science, etc. So I'd like to give you the concept of what is the your smallest particle of matter. So always you should know that matter is always composed of small particles, and the small particles may be called as atoms and molecules. So your what is atoms and what is molecules, that we should discuss here. As you know that if we uh, your uh, shortly we may say that your smallest particle of an element is atom, and the smallest particle of a compound is molecule. Your smallest particle of element element is atom, and the smallest particle of compound is molecule. Understood? So actually, if we got again and again of an element, then there is one point that at that point we cannot divide it again. But still, actually, there is your further discovery that atom can also be divided into the subatomic particles. That is subatomic particles like electron, proton, and your neutron. But still, atom is the smallest particle. It has been told of an element. So, atom. What is the definition of an atom? Atom is nothing but it is the smallest particle of an your element which may or may not have the independent existence. Understood? Because your whenever we say that your in case of metals, metal is an element also. Metals are also element. So if we say that the metals like sodium, potassium, calcium, these are the symbolic representation of an atom of a metal. So it has independent existence. It can remain independently. Understood? But whenever if we consider a gases H, oxygen, nitrogen, here it represents the atom of hydrogen, atom of oxygen, atom of nitrogen. So these atoms has no independent existence. Because what does it mean by independent existence? Because this hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, they cannot remain at such independently in atomic form. Understood? So this is the definition of an atom, that this is the smallest particle of an element which may or may not have an independent existence. Understood? Similarly, what is the definition of molecule? Molecule means it is the smallest particle of an element or compound. It is the smallest particle of an element or compound which have independent existence. How? What is the definition and how it can be explained? We should see in case of element and molecule means H2. If I write here H2, then this represents molecule of hydrogen. This is the smallest particle of hydrogen which have independent existence. Means hydrogen can remain independently in the S2 form. Understood? So this is an element, but this is a molecule. Understood? But I may say your in case of a compound CO2, I may write. So this is carbon dioxide, which is also represent one molecule of a compound. Understood? So here this has also no independent. Sorry, this has independent existence. It can remain as such in this form. Understood? So this is all about your atom and molecule. Then I may give you one concept that your molecule may be of two types. One is your homoatomic molecule, another is your heteroatomic molecule. Homoatomic, homoatomic, homoatomic means what? Homo means same means your whenever your homoatomic molecule means molecule consists of atoms of same element, that is called homoatomic. And what is heteroatomic? Heteroatomic, hetero means different, Understood? Different. Hetero means different. So whenever a molecule consists of your atoms of different element, then it is called heteroatomic molecule. In case of heteroatomic molecule, I may give one examples here. HCl. You just see atoms of different element, hydrogen and chlorine. Similarly, CO2. This is carbon dioxide. This is carbon, one atom of different element, and oxygen. This is a different element. Understood? So these are the your heteroatomic molecule examples. In case of homoatomic molecule, there may be monoatomic, monoatomic molecule, then diatomic molecule, diatomic molecule, then triatomic molecule, triatomic molecule, then polyatomic molecule, polyatomic molecule. So what are the examples here? In case of monoatomic, I may give sodium, aluminium. In case of all metal atoms are monoatomic molecule. In case of diatomic molecule, here oxygen, nitrogen, these are all diatomic molecule, means it consists of two atoms here. It consists of here one atom. One molecule consists of one atom. Here one molecule consists of two atoms. Here one molecule consists of three atoms. So what are the examples here? O3, ozone molecule. Similarly, polyatomic, your P4, S8. These are the examples of polyatomic molecules. Understood? So this is all about your homoatomic molecules and heteroatomic heteromolecule examples. Understood? Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.